Hello, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can delete your MoneyGram account so you can close it securely if you no longer need it. So first, you will have to sign into your MoneyGram account, whether on the website or the app, but the account deletion may be easier via website than the app. Next, you will just have to go to your account settings or profile or security settings where account management options appear. After that, you will just have to look for close account, delete account, or similar wording. If you don't see it, move to the support or contact page. Then, if there's an online request form, you will just have to submit the deletion request and follow the verification steps. You may need to confirm by email or provide an ID. Finally, wait for the confirmation from MoneyGram and make sure any pending transfers are completed or canceled before the account is closed. Quick tip, download or screenshot transaction records you want to keep before requesting deletion. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.